Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add people on Cash App. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open the Cash App on your phone. If you want to send money to someone, simply enter the amount and tap the Pay button. Here, you can search for the person by entering their cash tag, starting with the dollar symbol. If they don't know their cash tag, they can find it by tapping on their profile icon where it appears just below their name. You don't have to add someone before sending them money. However, if you frequently send or receive money from the same person, you can add them to your favorites for quicker access. To do this, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner, then scroll down and select Favorites. After that, tap Add Favorites. You can search for the person's name or choose someone from the suggested list. Once you find the person, simply tap the star icon next to their name to add them to your favorites. From now on, they will appear in your favorites list, making it much easier to send or receive money with them. If you ever want to remove them, just open their profile and remove them from your favorites. And that's it. So that's basically how you can add people on Cash App. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.